In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend colors in Affinity Designer. Now, the easiest way and the most convenient one, of course, is going to be to actually just use gradients. And the way you can do that is you want to go to Vector up top left, and you want to click on here where you have the Fill tool. And then by doing this, you could basically drag out a gradient that you wish. Okay, so you could go ahead, set a different color. So for example, I have this layer selected over here. That's my mistake. Let me select this one. Do it again. There we go. As you can see, I can now go ahead and basically create these gradients. Okay, now that's one way to do it. You could change it, you could do whatever you want with that. You could basically adapt it up top over here, set different colors, etc. So that's completely up to you. Or if you actually just want to blend colors which are already on an image, so let's say I have two different colors over here and I would like to blend these, you could also use this tool over here on the left hand side, which is available under, if I go to the pixel tab up top, it's here under the brushes. So you want to click on the paint mixer brush, and then you'll be able to mix those things as well. Okay, so let me actually show you a better example over here. If I just actually open up a separate layer here, so if I go to a layer and then if I click on let's just do a pixel and new fill layer, and if I go to use this tool again here, which is the paint brush, and if I choose it to be this color, there we go. I'm not sure why this is not okay. There we go. So I have this color, and then let's just actually create a reddish tone over here as well on the right hand side, or this is actually going to do. It's going to be fine. And then I choose this paint mixer, and I go like this. As you can see, I'm then able to blend colors. Now this comes in especially handy if you're actually using something like this, which is basically just an image. Looks a bit weird right now. That is because I have apparently done some oopsies in the background. So let me actually go ahead and pop up a new image of this sort over here to show you how this looks like. There we go, it should be in here. Okay, so if I want to blend some of these colors, I could use this brush again and then just go ahead and start gently hovering it over. Now it's giving me a color because I have not changed it. There we go. And then you can kind of blend these colors like this, and the colors that are actually apparent on your screen are going to blend in. Now of course this looks very, very weird because I only have like some weird ground over here, but if you're actually trying to blend something very, very precisely to actually make the edges a bit smoother, for example, you could go in very detailed like this, and you could do it then like that, and it's going to make the blending a bit more smooth and a bit more basically unseen and convenient. So those are kind of the ways to blend colors. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.